Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we have a new Ultraboost from 2021. Let's just start. As always, we do the unboxing. Here are some of my sizes. Inside of the box, we don't have anything else. Having them on my hands, I will say that this colorway, it does look a bit better in real life. Here we have the logo, and exposed it to light, this is how it looks. The cage seems to be thick enough and strong enough. In this shot we can see the Primeknit Plus, which now is made from two different panels. One of them is a bit more elastic and the other one a bit more rigid, and they are merged together. The midsole in this sneaker has a color, I would say, off-white. In this shot we can see the sole is completely different in comparison with the one from the last year. Has a different shape, different materials, has this new torsion system. The white semi-transparent rubber on the heel. I heard that some people had issues and peel it off. I don't know if they are only rumors or if it's true or not. It is something to keep in mind if you are thinking to buy them. I personally didn't test them enough to be able to say if it's true or not, so take this with a grain of salt. Here we have the insoles, which are not different from the last year, and I would say that it's not needed because they are comfy enough. In this shot we can see the interior. It has a new layer over the Ultraboost material. Here are some shots with other sneakers. We can see that they have some padding on the heels. I personally find it comfy enough this way. The Primeknit around the ankle is quite thin, as you can see here, and is a bit more thicker around the toe box. Here's the second sneaker of this pair, because I wanted to see how good is the quality, if there are problems. And to be honest, I didn't find any issues with this pair, at least. Here we have the weight test in comparison with New Balance Fresh Foam 1080 V9. I am a bit surprised with the weight of these sneakers. It's much more than that I was expecting from them, but it is what it is. And a short physical comparison in between them, both being same size. The sole from New Balance for me is a bit stronger. About the insoles, New Balance for me has the edge, being a bit more comfy in comparison with the one from Adidas Ultraboost. About the midsoles, I don't think it's needed to say anything. I will let this shot to speak by itself. Here we have on-fit shots. You can see I have a high touch, and with these sneakers I didn't have any issues in that matter. Here I'm pointing where my big toes are touching these sneakers, and I would say it has left at least 0.5 centimeters, so for me they are comfy enough. The only problem that I have is where those two panels of Primeknit are merging. They are touching the end of my toes, and that is a bit annoying. Here is an on-fit in comparison with New Balance. The level of comfort is almost the same, New Balance having the edge for me. Now some on-fit shots in comparison with New Balance from lower angle. Pros and cons. Well, for pros, I would say the look, obviously, if you like it. If you don't, just pass. Different colors to choose, and overall the build quality. For cons, the price, 180 euros is plenty of money. So the weight, because it has more weight than I was expecting and much more than many others running shoes. Where those two panels from Primeknit plus are merging, it might give you some issues on your toes. The huge heel, which might not be for everyone. So my final thoughts on them: if you like them, buy them. If you don't, search something else. As always, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. If you have any questions, please let me know, and please don't forget to subscribe.